At this moment, I am taking the oral written communication course in English, which is part of the foreign languages degree at Universidad de Antioquia, and it is going to be finished in some lessons. Hence, taking into account the course's specific objectives, my learning process during classes, and the challenge to take more advanced courses, a question came to my mind. Why should I pass this course? I think that I fulfilled all understanding and production objectives in English learned in the course to keep going in my studies. Although there are some specific subjects that were not very clear, they can be improved later, so they aren't reasons to retake the course. I consider that I have developed a series of achievements in my auditory and reading output and comprehension that, according to the syllabus, they are necessary to pass the course. The syllabus says that students must show global and detailed comprehension of texts. I fulfill this objective because I reflect good understanding and analysis of texts in class. In addition, the program mentions that students should participate actively in debates inside and out the classroom. I use the language improved in the course to give my opinions clearly and fluently. So, I take part of debates and conversations with my partners every moment. These are quite valid and strong reasons to pass this course. It should be noted that there are some topics included in the syllabus which are not very clear in my learning, as summarizing and the passive voice. I could learn different types of summarizing as overview, abstract, annotated, bibliography, and others suggested by the program. Summarizing can be important in next courses to give brief description of texts. I had also little problems with the passive voice in English due to the complexity of its construction in different participles and situations where it must be used. As a result, I couldn't get the best grade. Although I couldn't totally address or understand these topics, they can be improved later in other courses. For example, in accordance with literature syllabus next semester, I will interpret texts easily and express with precision what they are about. So, I will learn how to summarize in different ways to talk about texts. Of course, I will have to learn it on my own, but it is not so difficult. Moreover, I will see the passive voice in the contrasted grammar course, because according to its plan, we will check linguistic functions and syntax in all their manners and verbal times. As we can see, these topics are not so determinants to pass or don't the course. In conclusion, despite little problems I could have as summarizing and construction of the passive voice, I have got almost all necessary objectives and knowledge in production and comprehension to succeed this program and keep going in my studies. Little problems and doubts will be solved in my learning process until I achieve all objectives set by the program of foreign languages degree.